Okay, 7th grade. So we're continuing talking about markup, discount, and sales tax. This is one of my favorite lessons of the year. I love teaching this lesson. It's a real bummer that we got to teach it over the internet, but we're going to do our best. So to learn about this, what I did was I found some of the funniest things that you could buy on Amazon. Now this was years ago, so I don't know if all these things are still available on Amazon. But the first one we're going to talk about is you can buy a can of unicorn meat. And on the can it says it's 100% unicorn meat. I'm going to go out on a limb and guess that's not true, but who knows. So you can buy a can of unicorn meat. We're being asked to find the selling price of that can of unicorn meat. So we're told the store's cost is $6.12. We're told the markup rate of 95%, and we're told the sales tax rate of 8%. And this is actually a lot easier than it seems. It's very quick to get to the answer, especially if you've used the shortcuts that we learned. So we know the store's cost is $6.12. We know the markup rate is 95%. And we learned whenever we have a markup, we take that percentage and add 1 to it. So this is going to be, if I just come over here, 0.95, I make it a decimal, and I add 1, that's 1.95. And what we're going to do is we're going to multiply by that. For these problems, we're doing all of these markups and all the sales tax, all the discount. So we're always going to multiply. So we're going to multiply by, that's a 5, by 1.95. Same thing with sales tax. We learned that sales tax is like markup. That's also an increase. So I make it a decimal and I add it to 1. 0.08 plus 1, that's 1.08. I'm also multiplying. And this you can do in one step in your calculator. So you can take that $6.12, we can multiply it by 1.95, and then multiply it by 1.08, and we get our answer. And we look at that, we get 12 point, so I do that multiplication. So I took 612 times 1.95 times 1.08, and I got 12.88872. Now, this is money. You need to be able to round to the nearest hundredth. Anytime we have money, we round to the nearest hundredth. That's 2 digits after the decimal. So I'm rounding this second digit. It's an 8. I look at the number after it. That's an 8, which tells me to round up. So my answer is going to be $12.89. So a can of unicorn meat costs $12.89. All right, I got 2 more examples of funny things you can purchase from Amazon. Watch those videos.